Hi there. Today we're taking a look at the Titan Fitness X3 power rack. This is the flat foot version. It's also the 91-inch tall version. I wanted to show how easy this thing is to set up. I'm actually almost 7 foot, so you can see why I enjoy the 91-inch version. A little bit taller, a little more headroom to be able to get in there. The overall dimensions, it's 50 inches wide, it's 48 inches deep, and then of course 91 inches tall. I like this rack because it's put together really well. It comes with all the included hardware. It's easy to assemble. All these uprights are laser cut, super precise, so all these accessories easily fit in anywhere. None of them misalign. They've got nice kind of pads on there, plastic pads to kind of help. There's no like rattling sound. They fit nice and secure. The bases on these things are also super robust. These plates are thick, beefy. Everything's got at least 2 bolts in it. So everything, once you get it all tightened down and secure, everything is nice and tight together. It comes with these plastic caps on the front, which just kind of finishes it off and gives it a nice look. You've got the option to move all these bars. Again, this thing is all laser cut, so super precise, but all this 2-inch spacing, the uprights have 6-inch spacing. It all accepts all of their accessories. Everything just slides in and works. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.